Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing tools: the Discord app, your account password, and an authenticator app on your phone. Open Discord, go to User Settings, then My Account. Click Enable Two-Factor Auth. Discord will ask you to re-enter your password to confirm it is you. Once done, Discord will display a QR code and a manual key. Do not close this screen. The reason is simple. You must pair the authenticator with Discord before proceeding to generate one-time codes. Now link the authenticator. Open the app and scan the QR code shown in Discord, or choose manual entry and paste the provided key. The authenticator will create a time-based 6-digit code that changes periodically. That's how one-time verification works. Enter the current 6-digit code into Discord's prompt and submit. Once Discord accepts it, you'll be issued backup codes. Copy them or save them to a secure password manager. These steps finalize the core two-factor pairing. Finish by saving the backup codes and optionally adding a phone number for secondary recovery. Keep backup codes offline or in a password manager. Sign out and sign back in to confirm you receive a 2FA prompt and that your authenticator provides valid codes. If a code is rejected, first check your phone's time synchronization. Time drift breaks time-based codes, and resync the authenticator or reinstall it. If necessary, use a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.